Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves. Today I'm into a bun just because it's a happy cooking day and I'm cooking Matar mushroom. Recently I had done a poll on my Insta and 50% of you voted for Rajma, another 50 voted for Matar mushroom. But I got personal messages also for Matar mushroom, so I thought I should go for Matar mushroom this time. And the best thing is mushrooms are very rich in proteins. They are amazing. The recipe doesn't have lot of oil in it, so it's healthy. And you can cook it because festive season is all around and you love cooking experimental things. So this is my version. I am not like a professional chef, but I love cooking, and being a dietitian, it's like part of my profession also. I have done a poll like whether you wear your boyfriend or your dad's t-shirt or your husband's t-shirt. That's what I'm doing it today. Okay, and there's one more thing. Congratulations to those who have won the giveaway. 3 winners. I have announced it on my Instagram, but I'm announcing here also. It's Charmi Wala, Jyoti Jain and Smriti Yadav. Congratulations for me, all of you are winners, but through this random software I had chosen 3, like we picked up 3 winners. And congratulations, do write down your addresses, full addresses to me, so that I could courier the gift as soon as possible. Okay, now let's enjoy the recipe. So for Matar mushroom you will be needing some green peas, onion, garlic, coriander, then chilies according to your taste. Like I have taken 1 dry chili and the other fresh green chilies, ginger, turmeric, salt, then kasturi methi, this is red chili powder, garam masala, then comes tej patta and some coriander seeds. Okay, then we will be needing some fresh mushrooms, oil, Amul fresh cream. Okay, this is very easily available in the market. And the last ingredient is tomatoes. Okay, these are 3 tomatoes and 1 big onion. So first we will be adding some oil, like very little quantity. Just heat up the oil and add some coriander dana. Okay, so these are coriander seeds. Let them crackle a bit, and now we will add some green chilies, the dry and the other one like the fresh one, the ginger, now some garlic as per your taste. Like we love lots of garlic in our food, so I will be adding like 6 to 7 cloves, some fresh dhania, and lastly I will be adding my onions. Just saute them until it turns out to be golden in color. Okay, just let it cook for a while. Now will be the time when I'm adding little bit of kasturi methi. Okay, now if you see, the onions have turned out to be golden in color, so that's a very good thing. Even the garlic, everything is very soft now, so this is the good stage. Now I'll be removing everything into this bowl. So now I will be grinding this masala. Okay, meanwhile I will be adding my tomatoes into this and making them soft also. Okay, so the same procedure goes, just saute them. Now I will be taking off, like they are soft now. Meanwhile, just ignore the kind of pan it has become, just because I'm not adding so much of oil. I want to make it healthy and it will turn out to be very tasty and healthy. I am sure for it. Now just grind this also. It has turned out very soft now, so it will be very easy to grind. Just grind them. Meanwhile, I will just saute them for just 2 or 3 minutes. So this is the paste which I have made, like all those ingredients which we had added. Now this will be the time when I'm adding my tej patta in it. I've sauteed them for at least 5 minutes, reduced it a lot, and now I will be adding my tomato puree. Now I'll be letting it cook for a while, like 5 minutes more, but at the same time I will be adding these frozen peas which I have. Like, they are a bit soft, so it will not take time for them to be cooked. In case if you're adding fresh peas, make sure that you blanch it for like 5 minutes and then add it. I'll just cover it and let them get, mix all the flavors come together. Meanwhile, I'm taking a bowl, adding some cream in it. Now this should be very little, okay, not more. So I'm adding just this much amount, like this is 3 big spoons, not more than that. Now I'll add my garam masala in it, then my red chili powder, some salt, haldi, and lastly I will be adding some amount of water in it, okay, letting it rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So I have cut down my mushrooms. I haven't chopped it very small just because it has lots and lots of amount of water in it and it gets soft, so I don't want the recipe to get very mashy kind of thing. Now I'll add the mushrooms, okay. Now just add and let it get simmer, like let the masala, the gravy get into it, and just leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, okay. I'm not adding lots of water in it just because this mushroom will leave their water and they will get cooked. So these mushrooms were blanched for at least 2 to 3 minutes before adding it to remove all the dirt and everything. It's really amazing. Try it out. Do share the pic with me on Instagram. Also follow me there. We have a lovely community. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the button like and stay tuned for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.